We're going to talk about an all-inclusive resorts vacation versus a DIY. Chuck, we're assigning you all-inclusive resorts. Our whole goal is to give you some guidance.
Yeah, I think everything is included. Your lodging, your food, most cases your alcoholic, all your beverages, including alcoholic beverages. Every all-inclusive I've ever been to is on the beach somewhere. We love them. When you're budgeting, then Jim's going to tell you why DIYs are.
If you're concerned about going somewhere not feeling safe and secure, there's probably no better choice than an all-inclusive, right? So from a DIY, I mean, the ultimate pro here is total flexibility. You can decide the how, where, when, why. I don't want to experience my American life in a gated resort in the country. I want to support the local economy. I travel somewhere, I want to make them know, I want to put my dollars to work. I want to enjoy local food, local artisans, things like that. You can do DIY cheaper.